Okay, we're going to take a really quick look at this Gitfo. This is a 15-in-1 powered USB-C hub. Yes, it has multi-port charging and data transfer, max 10 gigabit per second some of the ports, and up to 45 watt output for charging, and the power adapter included inside is 65 watts. So let's take a look inside and see what we're gonna do with it. We might throw in some devices and some other things and all that stuff just to see what we're dealing with. And it opens somewhere here that I might have to butcher up. Here we go. I'm a big fan of these, especially for workstation computer like I use. These are good. User's manual if you need it. Device itself. Oh, that's aluminum. Okay, already like that. And that's your 65 watt power adapter that comes with it. And your USB-C to Type-C USB that you connect to your laptop. And that's it for the box. Nothing else. Well, I mean, that's enough, but just saying. Let me plug this power adapter real quick. And the device itself. Ooh, this has some heft to it. So we have all these ports here. The first two are 5 gigabit per second at 7.5 watts. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are 5 gigabit per second. And the last one is 10 gigabit per second type A. Then we have 4 type C USB ports. The first two are 10 gigabit per second, and the second two are at power delivery at 45 watts max. And to the back of the device, we have the host USB-C, or that goes to the laptop, power delivery that you put the laptop's charger on it to charge the laptop. And this is the DC power from the barrel jack that came with the device. And there's a piece of paper here that says you can remove it after you learn what to do. And that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so, well, let's start with the first things first. Let's plug in some power. And yep, we have a little light here that turned on to show that it's powered up. And then with that, let me get this piece here and connect this one to the laptop, just so we have something going on. Okay, and this one goes to the laptop port here, or to the host. And I'm going to disconnect the laptop charger and connect the charger now to this device directly, as you see, like this. And if I plug this to the laptop, our laptop should start charging as well. Yep, it actually does start charging. Not sure if you can see it right there. Yeah, that's the battery charging. And well, let's throw in some devices on it, some for charging, some for data, and just see what it can do for us. So I have a few here. First of all, let me see if I can charge my camera with it. That would be a nice test, even though the camera battery I think is almost full, but just want to test it. Connect on the first one and to the USB-C of my camera, just to make sure everything is as expected. Yep, as you see, the tiny light is on. So now we have the camera actually charging. And well, let me put another device in charge. That is looking very cool right now. Okay, have a cable here that will help us do that. The second one is a charging port as well. And let me plug in one of these phones that's probably completely depleted. And boom, it's charging. You see? Yep. You can actually see it there now. And well, let's plug in some data to this laptop as well, since we know charging works. How about data cables? And I'm gonna plug one of them on the USB-A, just so we can have it. I think any of the ports would do just fine. Connect it to this here. Yep, and the phone starts charging and recognized by the laptop right away. Let me get some USBs. Why not, right? Let's throw everything we have at it. So I have a million USBs. Let me put a USB-C here, so it should show up on the laptop too. And yep, I heard the bing. Put a second USB. Yep, heard that too. I hope you heard it on the microphone too. Let me put a Type A, but on the 10 gigabit per second port. Yep, showed up there too. And I have another one that is gonna be converted to Type A, just so we have it. Okay, I'm gonna put it in one of these just to test it. Yep, as you see, it turned on here, and we see the folders already going on there. What else can we even throw at this thing? Because it's actually just taking them like a champ. And I mean, you're not gonna really realistically fill them all up at once. But there are sometimes some cases that I actually end up doing that. And this one is connected too. It shows charging right now, but these are depleted devices, so it'll take a minute for them to come back alive and show up on the computer. And I have one more. Yep, if I turn that on, it will show up as data. Put this one here too, and throw another device at it. Yep, right away connected. And besides that, what else do you want me to tell you? Look what we have connected here. This is crazy. So literally I only have 3 ports open for business. I have this one here. Not sure if you can see it. I have this one, and this one, and this one. So everything else is filled up. Everything is charging, and everything is being recognized straight up to the laptop. And besides that, and the camera is charging as well. I mean, I know what else to tell you. This thing is a beast, gotta tell you. Now let me take everything one by one, just so we can actually take it out from here and I can clear the table. Okay, 1 device, 2 devices, 3, 4, and you hear the computer all the time, bim, bim, bim. 5, okay, what else do we have to take off here? Okay, these little thingies. Wow, there's a lot connected here. As you see, the laptop is ding-dinging every time I take something out of it. And now just the cables. That is a lot. That's a real beauty. And I mean, if it passed this stress test, I think it's a good device, especially for the price. I would say I can suggest it, because, you know, if it passed my torture test, that means it's good. And by torture test, I mean plugging in a realistic amount of devices that, yes, it can do them. Will you ever do that? Probably not, but it's there in case it's needed. And if you use your computer as a workstation like I do, this is just my laptop, but my main computer is a workstation. Yeah, these big USB hubs are your best friend. And even if you're just a gamer, or a streamer, especially a streamer, actually you need a lot of these too, but for workstation people, this is yes, absolutely yes. And it will go straight to my desk and probably live there for a long, long time. Okay, so we are done here. Let me just unplug everything. And this is the device itself. Has nice rubber feet on the bottom, so it's not gonna, you know, move around. And that's all I can tell you. Absolutely a beauty. Yes, this is the stuff I like.